In our last video, we explored the 10 powerful foods that truly fuel your immune system from the ground up. But walk into any store, and you'll see shelves lined with pills and powders promising a quicker, easier boost. So today, we're cutting through the hype. We're exposing the truth about immune-boosting supplements, what the science actually says works, what's a waste of money, and when they might even be dangerous. Walk into any pharmacy or scroll through social media, and you'll see them. Pills, powders, and potions, all claiming to boost your immune system. But do they really work? Or are you just paying for expensive urine? Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're separating fact from fiction in the world of immune supplements. First, let's address the term immune boosting. Your immune system isn't a muscle that needs boosting, it's a sophisticated, balanced system. An overactive immune system can be as problematic as an underactive one, leading to allergies or autoimmune diseases. What we really want is immune support, not reckless boosting. Let's start with the celebrity, vitamin C. While crucial for immune function, studies show that megadosing vitamin C after you get sick doesn't significantly shorten colds. However, people with vitamin C deficiency do benefit from supplementation. For most people, eating an orange is just as effective as a pill. Zinc is more promising. Some studies suggest zinc lozenges might shorten cold duration if taken within 24 hours of symptoms. But here's the catch. Zinc can cause nausea, and nasal sprays can permanently damage your sense of smell. More importantly, you can get zinc from foods like beans, nuts, and whole grains. Vitamin D is different. Many people are deficient, especially in winter, and deficiency does impair immunity. Supplementation helps if you're deficient, but excessive amounts can be toxic. The best approach? Get your levels checked and supplement appropriately. Don't just guess. What about herbal supplements like Echinacea and Elderberry? The evidence is mixed. Some studies show modest benefits, others show none. The bigger issue? Supplements aren't regulated like medicines. What's on the label might not be in the bottle, and concentrations can vary wildly. So what truly supports immunity? The boring but proven strategies: adequate sleep, regular exercise, managing stress, not smoking, and a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods. These don't make flashy headlines, but they have overwhelming scientific support. Supplements do have their place for diagnosed deficiencies, specific medical conditions, or life stages like pregnancy. The key is targeted use based on actual need, not shotgun approaches based on marketing. Always consult your doctor before starting supplements. Remember, there are no magic bullets. Immune health comes from consistent lifestyle habits, not expensive supplements. Be skeptical of dramatic claims, focus on proven strategies, and consult your doctor for personalized advice. True health can't be bottled. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might be wasting money on supplements. Subscribe to the Health Sketchpad for more evidence-based health information. Your health deserves facts, not just marketing.